welcome back to Reality on the Ground, where we bring you today's biggest global developments without spin and without noise, just sharp takes. If you appreciate clear facts and cinematic storytelling, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us grow and helps you stay informed. Let's dive in. Tensions are running high in Los Angeles, where President Donald Trump has ordered federal forces to intervene following days of violent unrest triggered by immigration raids. On Truth Social, Trump described the city as invaded and occupied by illegal aliens and criminals. He vowed to liberate Los Angeles and restore law and order. His directive follows a weekend of clashes between protesters and federal immigration agents, especially outside the Metropolitan Detention Center downtown. Footage shows National Guard troops in riot gear. Tear gas was fired, though it's unclear which agency used it or what triggered the escalation. The unrest began Friday after immigration raids in Paramount and Compton resulted in over 100 arrests. Protesters reportedly tried to block Border Patrol vehicles and hurled debris at agents. Federal officers responded with tear gas, pepper balls, and flashbangs. In response, Trump deployed 2,000 National Guard troops and authorized Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, Attorney General Pam Bondi, and Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem to lead the crackdown. California Governor Gavin Newsom denounced the move as a federal takeover, calling it unconstitutional and politically motivated. He demanded the order be revoked and control of the National Guard returned to the state. "We didn't have a problem until Trump got involved," Newsom posted. "This is a serious breach of state sovereignty." Homeland Security officials pushed back, blaming local leadership for failing to maintain order. One DHS official said, "ICE officers deserve thanks, not attacks." Critics, including Senator Bernie Sanders, warned the deployment could signal a dangerous shift toward authoritarianism. House Speaker Mike Johnson defended Trump's order, accusing California's leadership of fueling the chaos. Traditionally, National Guard deployments in Los Angeles are authorized by state officials. This is the first federal override since the civil rights era of the 1960s. It remains unclear how long federal troops will stay. Secretary Hegseth has warned that if violence escalates, active-duty Marines could be deployed next. You've been watching Reality on the Ground. If this episode made you think or helped you better understand what's going on, like, share, and subscribe. For more, visit realityontheground.com. Until next time, stay grounded.